You shouldn't say that.
Flip a switch on a brick and I come alive in the nighttime.
I don't think we're gonna come back to go to the pool because they don't want to come back.
Flip a switch on a brick and I very sound bitch, do you cross that line? Black heels, black shades, and my energy. Tell him I'm dead if he
That looks amazing.
Blue block, mute, chat, new ID in the stack, new dicks on top, got best case, worst case plan of attack, got bitches at the sea and the street getting slapped. Don't threaten me or talk to me ever like that.
Today's actually Friday and we have a pretty exciting day. Okay, I'm gonna try this one on and then I'll come right back.
Nipples down, how I flip a switch on a brick and I come alive in the nighttime. In the club sipping Hennessy. Tell him I'm dead if you're calling me. Flip a switch on a brick and I
Good morning everybody and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. It is a beautiful Monday morning and we are currently at the house in the Poconos. I'm here with Melissa, my brother Peter, my sister-in-law Michaela, my mom, and my stepdad Paul. We are gonna spend a few days here. We actually got here yesterday. I did tell you that we were gonna be here for a few days in the last video. If you haven't seen that video, I will have it linked in the cards and in the description below. I'm so happy, you guys. I'm in a very good mood. My spirit is high. I'm going to get dressed to go to the kitchen with everyone. My mom's making us breakfast. She's making us ackee and sawfish, and afterwards we're all going to get dressed and go for a little morning stroll around the neighborhood. Guys,
Just skinny now.
so who's coming on the walk?
I will go.
And you're coming?
Here, I'm watching. Yeah.
Okay. Breakfast is ready. For Melissa. And this is for me.
Okay, you guys, the sun is out. It's a really nice temperature to actually go for a walk. It's not too hot or too cold. So we are 12 minutes away from the clubhouse. At the clubhouse there is a pool and a lake for our community. Okay guys, we finally made it to the lake. I don't think we're gonna come back to go to the pool because they don't want to come back. I'd come back. There's a bunch of like activities like water sports, there's kayaking, there's paddle boards, there are a bunch of other little activities that you can do, or you can just go swimming in the lake or the pool. It's very nice. We have to come back. Can we, the next time we come back, we have to come swimming.
Oh, hey you guys, I and pretty much everybody else just woke up from a nap. It's now 5 or after 5 in the afternoon and we're about to start prepping lunch. For lunch we're gonna put some burgers, hot dogs, some steak, shrimp, and corn on the grill. I'm pretty excited about that because I know it's gonna be good. I'm actually in the mood for a really nice cheeseburger, maybe a piece of corn and some steak and shrimp. I just prepped some lettuce and tomatoes for the burgers. I have those chilling in the fridge, and now I'm going to see if the steak is defrosted so I can season it and start with the shrimp. We're gonna put the shrimp on some kebabs and then pop those on the grill as well. You've seen in previous videos how we do the steak and the shrimp on the grill. We're gonna do it just like that. But yeah, it was a really nice day. Today was exactly what it needed to be. We got up early, we had breakfast, we went for a walk, we came back home, we took a little nap, and now we're gonna make some food. You guys, my sister-in-law has a channel on YouTube and we're trying to get her to post more and be more consistent. She wants to build a YouTube following. She wants to build a YouTube platform. So if you can do me a favor and go and subscribe to her channel. But we're only going to subscribe to your channel, Michaela. If you post a video, you can't have a one video channel.
One hit wonder.
We're bringing out the burger patties, nice and seasoned up, ready to go. Yeah, let's take a look, see what's going on with the grill. Whoa,
How's the grill looking?
grill looking good. The grill is looking mighty fine. Let me go grab my glass of wine so I can sit and relax and wait for dinner. Wow. That looks amazing. Oh my god, you guys. This looks freaking amazing. Like, look at that. Another drink for me. So we're here watching Final Destination 2. We watched part 1 earlier. Now we're watching part 2. And Melissa made me a little cocktail. This is a mojito. Oh, it's very good. Yeah.
Watch the movie and everybody talking.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes.
Good morning, everybody. I can't believe it's our last full day here. I'm not going to think about that. I'm going to continue to enjoy our time here. Last night was so much fun. We stayed up and we watched a bunch of scary movies. Nelson made us a couple of cocktails and it was just such a nice relaxing day. I feel like we are truly experiencing what we intended this trip to be. Just rest, relaxation, and with no doubt today is going to be just the same. So I'm wearing this matching set from TJ Maxx. It's a vest and pants set. I'm still wearing my socks. I'm about to take them off, but this is the outfit for the day.
I swear it's hard to keep this feeling to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket low. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. Well, we can get away. Palm trees, beach views, holding everything. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away.
Okay guys, I have just been sitting out here reading my book. I have about 2 more chapters to go before I'm finished with this book, and I'm clearly loving it. It's my vibe. It's everything that I feel like I need in this stage of my life. It's validating a lot of things that I've taught myself and things that I've learned over the years. And ultimately, I want to use my 30s to continue to be authentic, continue to show up as myself, and continue to validate my feelings. I want to continue to learn and encourage myself to embrace new beginnings and embrace being an amateur and embrace being who I am authentically. I know I'm ranting at this point, but that's just how this book has made me feel. It's such a positive book without being a cheesy or a cliche self-help book. It's really good. It's light. It feels like a refreshing sip of cold lemonade on a hot summer day. I know it sounds cheesy, but that's just how it makes me feel. I've always been a glass half full type of person, and I really do love that about myself. But also it's teaching me how to navigate negative feelings, you know, because we're not perfect. So I really am happy that I got this. I think we're just going to continue to enjoy the day, relax, and if we do nothing, we do nothing. If we decide to do something, then we do. But honestly, I'm really enjoying myself. I remember there was a point in my life where I had to be getting dressed up or going out or just doing something, feeling busybody, you know. I felt like it always had to be this high energy, but this is fun to me. The freedom that I have right now to just lay on the deck, and as the breeze blow, I'll hear a light ring of the wind chime that we have hanging here. I'm hearing birds in the distance. I'm hearing the breeze sway through the trees, and experiencing all of that while reading this book. Yeah, it's a great day. I am so happy. I'm so blessed. I love my life. Good morning, everybody. Clearly back in New York. Today is actually Friday, and is it Friday? Yeah, and we have a pretty exciting day before us. We are going in-store shopping. I haven't been in-store shopping in a minute, but this time I want to go on Jamaica Avenue to see if I can go and find a dress for my brunch that I'm hosting next week Saturday. I've been looking online. I have a really beautiful dress in my cart if I should check out tonight, and I should get it in time for the brunch, which makes today the perfect day to go to Jamaica Avenue to go and look through the shops, see if there's anything in particular that I like. If I go to Jamaica Avenue and go and walk through a couple of stores like Hot Point and some of my favorite stores that I used to shop in back in the day that honestly really had great stuff. So that is the goal. I came on here to show you how honestly, guys, losing weight is a blessing and a curse, because now none of my bottoms fit, and I knew this time would come, but honestly I didn't think it would come already. Like, this is one of my favorite skinny jeans. Like, I know skinny jeans aren't necessarily in right now, but these, the way how these used to fit me, perfect. So I am really contemplating going to the tailor and actually getting this one taken in as well. Yeah, I guess I could wear a skirt because my skirts still fit. Okay, very cute. I think I just might wear this today with my Tour Verge ballet flats. Okay, you guys, I think I'm just gonna go with this outfit. I'm just trying to get like the last bit of wear out of my closet before I need a completely new closet. Like, I like it. I also really like the fabric of the skirt as well. I like that. It's just different. It's very modest. It's very ladylike. It's very my vibe. Final look. I ended up changing out my bag because I had to take snacks for everybody, myself, Melissa, and Chai.
So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me. Yeah. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange.